Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. The weather looks very nice, but it's snowy and cold, but it looks so good. I love it. I just wanted to tell you something. I will show you some solutions that I have found for a technical problem. Please watch the video, and if it helps you, I would appreciate your support very much. See you, bye. Thank you for watching the video. Did the solution help you? If it was helpful, please subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate your support. See you later again. Bye.